Okay, first of all, we need to set up the stand and put on the fabric, and then make the thread with two color of our fabric. Okay, first of all, take one fabric and put it on the stand. Look, and then adjust the wide of the fabric to make the wide the thread you want to make. This is the wide of our thread I'm going to make. Okay, and look at this fabric. You can a line of the thread out from the edge of the fabric and some little hole. This is not the quality problem. All the fabric out from the factory will look like this. If you don't like it, just cut it off, will be okay. Actually, we can hide it. Okay, then this is the width of the fabric we are going to make. And then take the fabric, the other side of the fabric, and put it like this. Put it on the stand. And this edge, this size of the fabric, let's add some clip on the fabric. Okay, this edge of the fabric, like this. This edge and this edge on two sides. And then we can adjust the thread, adjust the wide, and adjust the height of the thread by jacking the fabric on this side and this side, like this. Look. There's no rules about how to make it. Just jack. Look. Just jack the two sides of the fabric to adjust the thread, adjust the height of the thread. That will be okay until satisfied. Okay, look, completed for one thread. Actually, we don't have to make everything perfect. This thread is quite good enough. Just add the clip on it. Okay, then the other fabric. The procedure are the same. Put one fabric on and adjust the wide of the thread. I will make this part will be equal to this part. And this end of the fabric will be slightly stepped on this fabric. Okay, the same procedure. This edge of the fabric and put it on this plate. Look, this plate. Look, this edge of the fabric will be on this plate. So follow the edge of the fabric and set the two sides of the fabric. And then adjust the height of the sweat will be okay. And I will make this sweat smaller than this sweat. So I will adjust it like this. If the wider of the thread is larger, we can also adjust two fabric. This just adjust the thread until satisfied will be okay. There's no rule. Okay, completed. Let's check the sweat we make, like this. And then let's put it on a wider place to check the whole effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. The following, we will add the fabric on this edge, this side of the backdrop. Okay, look, after I add two fabric on this side of the backdrop, the following, just tie them on the stand will be okay. Use any method will be okay. Since I'm holding the foam, so I won't show you the detail. I just show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. And then for this side, I will use the white fabric to cover the pole of the stand. Very simple. Just hang it on will be okay. Okay, completed with all the fabric set up. Let's check the effect. We can make the sweat much more larger and taller. The come out will be much more better. But anyway, let's go on. Look at this backdrop setting. This place, I think we need to decorate with something. So I will decorate with our ballroom, the rose in ballroom. If you want to know how to make the rose in ballroom, please click here for the detailed tutorial. I don't repeat the procedure on this video. Okay, I will put the ballroom onto our stand. If you are interested to know more detail about our stand and about how to install this stand, click here for the detailed tutorial. Okay, now let's put it in front of the backdrop. Let's intend extend the lens we want. Also, put on the stand. If you want the ballroom to hold on the stand firmly, you can add some tape on it, will be okay. Okay, look, after we put on the ballroom, remember the fairy line. Look, the fairy line. We need to wrap the fairy line along the stand. Look, wrap all the fairy line along the stick. And then let's light up the fairy line and check the effect. Look, let's check the effect. Okay, look, completed with everything. Look at the plastic base. If you want to cover the plastic base, the white base, you can use some leaf white to cover. Red on the base will be okay. It's very simple. Okay, let's check the effect. Let's zoom in to check the detail. This is our ballroom, Luminous ballroom. Very beautiful, very unique. And for your information, we supply all the material, include the fabric and the ballroom, the base. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my Facebook page from the information field below this video. And please do me a favor, but do not skip the advertisement because I need the revenue to buy more material and take more video. Okay, let's check it in darker environment. Okay, look, let's check it in darker environment. Look at this. Because it's on this side of this part of backdrop will be very bright. If you want it to make it bright, you can add the ground light to light up from the floor. The come out will be very, very beautiful, but I don't have the light, so just go on. Okay, our Luminous ballroom is very pretty, very gorgeous in darker environment. Look at this. And this idea will be very unique, but there's a shortage. The ballroom will be a little linking, so but actually this ballroom can be work well at least 1 day. Actually 2 days will be okay. Be careful of the linking of the ballroom will be okay. Okay, let's light up the light and take the video on bright environment to check the effect again. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.